Damn, DK's car. Got some cop cars, modified cop cars. Pretty cool. Got the Audi on this side. Yeah, if you want to go to school, BCIT, baby. My alma mater, Tesla engine. That's pretty much it. Like, that's the battery.
Yeah.
Right there. That's an NSX. Some more Ferrari. Ooh, that's the one. That's a good one right there. The orange one. That's a McLaren. Yeah, this is the national car. E-brake. Ferraris. McLarens. Damn. McLaren Senna. Mini collections. This looks pretty cool. It's a buggy styled mini. Even have a mini pickup. That's pretty cool. Collection of Skylines. Got a R34, I think this is, or 33. Got R32, and then a bunch of R34s over there, and I think that's a NSX on the end, right there. Right, the very end there. Got some custom cars. That's bagged. That's bagged, so you can lower this one. Some more old school vehicle. That is a 1932 Ford Deuce, right here. Deuces. This is a 1968 Mustang. Dang. This is your dream car, Joe?
Yes, it is. It's a beaut. I love the color, and it just, I don't even know. It's just so beautiful.
This one right here, this blue one, is a 67 Mustang. I think they even made it look like an AC Cobra, which is really cool. I think it might be a kit car though. Here's another one, a Monarch. Ooh, so nice. And we have Trans Am, of course. So clean. I love that cherry red. Nice Ford Thunderbird, 1957. Looks clean. That's a new Prelude. Damn. That's a nice car. All right, some Grenadier outfitted with some iCamper. Looks pretty dang good. Honestly, I'm still a big fan of the Grenadier. If I can like rebuild or get a new off-roading vehicle, I'd probably get a Grenadier again. It looks so sick. I like all the fact that all the accessories, you can build it up. Like, yeah, damn. Oh, it's all good. Good choice on this one, though, man. If I could rebuild another rig, I'd probably get this. It looks pretty nice. You have the Quartermaster here, so it's like their version of a truck, which is actually pretty sick. That's pretty dope. I like the look. Gives that Defender look, but it's a little bit modernized more. Sorry, the footages are very zoomed in because I'm using my Sony. Okay, GMC, looking pretty cool. At the GMC section here, got more electric vehicles. EV Hummer, looks sick. I think Mike, I think this is the specific one that Mike has, but in like, I think blue, Mike? Comment on that one, Mike, but I think you have the blue one. This is more of the the truck style. It looks pretty rugged. All right, we're getting into the Ford section here. Got some Bronco Sport Badlands. Still about the same design. Got a Badlands here. One day I'm still gonna get a Bronco, probably a Badlands. Definitely can't afford a Raptor, but for sure would like a, you know, to have a Badlands. You know what I mean? I'm a Ford guy. I think this is new. That's a new, that's an Expedition Tremor. Yeah, that's new. Not gonna lie, this Expedition Tremor is looking pretty dang sick. Okay, Ford. You're building it up. All right, we got Callum, my brother-in-law, sitting here. Hello, sir. How would you like to buy this vehicle?
Wait for my car, man.
All right, I think this is the Dark Horse. Yeah, this Dark Horse is nice. See how it looks like in the front. Damn. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's a Mach-E. It's a that thing is a actual electric vehicle. So yeah. Whoa. I've hired a camera person.
That was really bad.
Damn. Okay. All right. I've been talking crap about the Mach-E, but this one looks pretty dope. Ooh, this convertible is nice. Okay. Mustang GT Premium convertible. I like the color, not gonna lie. That color's pretty nice. Pretty nice interior. Pretty much the same thing for the screens and everything else, but man, I like it. Sorry, I thought this was a dark horse. This is actually a Mustang GTD. It says right there on the sign. Right there. It's a Mustang GTD. Damn, looks pretty dang sick. Got some Ranger Lariat here. I think that's regular. But this one right here. Woo. Ranger Raptor. Looks pretty dang sick. Honestly, if I could build another one, it'll be this one right here. This truck's nice. Woo. Here's the 2026 Power Boost, the hybrid. Tell me what you think of the truck, sir.
This is my new truck I'm gonna get next week. We're gonna rub it, and yeah, it's gonna be my new truck for now.
He's taking delivery soon, but yeah, this is pretty much the same as my truck, but just a newer version. It's 2026. Looks about the same, to be honest. Actually, no, it's not. The headlight and grille looks different. Definitely looks different. It's the facelift one. Looks clean. Should I get racks, or do we just leave it as is? All right. In the future, honestly, if I ever get rid of the hybrid, it'd be the Super Duty. I mean, man, I love big trucks, man. Super Duty would be sick, especially this one. It's the F250. I mean, I'm not hauling anything, but damn, looks so nice.
We're also gonna rub this one.
Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, starting tomorrow. If you want to buy it, come by. We'll have it rubbed by afternoon.
Trade
it in for this Honda Civic.
Someone in here.
And yeah, it's so spacious though. The window's so
Here and
small
that.
though. I thought the window would be much bigger. Like.
Doesn't have the moonroof. Auxiliary, those things, you can flip those switches for your lights, for everything. Yeah, usually Raptors, like Ford Raptors, have those ones, like any of the Raptor brands. Yeah, that one. That Ranger Raptor there has it. Clean 2026 trimmer. Not gonna lie, I like the new facelift of the F-150 from my generation. Looks pretty sick. This is the 2026 Ford Raptor, F-150 Raptor. Man, still a dream truck. As much as I'd love to get a Super Duty, I would love to get a F-150 Raptor. Maybe in lava red, you know, make it old school. All right, here's a Maverick Tremor. Woo, I like that cherry red. I was thinking about getting him a Maverick, but it's just too dang small. It's smaller than the regular Ranger, and the truck bed isn't that great. That's kind of like the reason why I didn't go for this one. I mean, it's a hybrid, but then again, it's also all-wheel drive. Oh well, I'm happy with my F-150. All right, here's a Ford Bronco Raptor.
Raptor is a high-speed off-road racer. In fact, it just won the Baja 1000 in its category.
Okay, I lied. This is another. If I could get a full rig, this would be a sweet rig. Shout outs to Lance, Will's buddy. Man, so sick. Okay, Hyundai, okay. Hey, Joe, what do you think of the Ioniq 9?
It looks pretty dope. It looks futuristic. I like the interior, like the color. Like you're in a
rock this one as
spaceship.
well?
Yeah.
I think we'll rob this one as well.
New Chevrolet Corvette. People are just gawking over it. I mean, it looks pretty dang nice. Maybe I'll do a road trip, rent one of these ones. Don't even think I can afford it. Looks nice though. It's a mid-engine. We got this ZR1. This time I won't get bumped by some people as I'm moving. Dream car too. It's pretty damn nice. I like the color too. Look at this Chevy EV Silverado. Man, everybody's picking up their EV game, man. This Chevy is looking really nice. Looks freaking clean. Trail Boss edition too as well. I like the color too. It's like gunmetal silver. It's pretty dang nice, man. Holy, checking out the interior. Nice. Range Rover.
Wow. Man, too bad we cannot. Oh, it's 2026. 181.
Yeah, it's This one? It's because it's a hybrid.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice G-Wagon, all built up. Damn. Maybe that's like maybe $250,000. I said $250,000. It's actually $500,000.
Ah, this is my dream car. This is my dream car. It's so smooth and sleek and just.
And you have a moonroof too.
Yeah. It's so nice. The start and stop button is just there.
Checking out the Lexus GX. Can't really get too close. Too many people kind of checking it out, but this specific one is selling for 120 G's. I mean, who can afford that nowadays? But I mean, it looks pretty nice, dang cool. This GX 550 looks clean, like interior. Okay, very roomy. This is actually the first time I've looked at one close by, but for 120,000 though, I don't know. I could probably just build one up. But I mean, it looks pretty dang cool though. Cadillac stepping into the electrical vehicle. Looks pretty dang nice actually. Sorry, I'm just kind of gunning on this video here. I wish I actually brought my other camera, but this is the Celestiq. This is the GR86. You know, still the same design. You got a Supra here. Oh, it's the GR too. It's still the same, but man, that wrap is nice. Got the Land Cruisers. Got the 26 Tacoma, Sequoia, TRD Pro, CHR. That's their hybrid version. Oh, sorry, electric, not hybrid. TRD. I like that color. Baby blue. Jump right back into the Chevy. This is Silverado Bison ZR2. This one, Callum.
This is number 4 that we're gonna steal. But there's so much screen. It's so cool. So much technology on this. I really like this car. It's very spacious. Yeah. What are you doing to my car? Get out. Yeah. It's a lovely car.
Got some old school race cars. That looks so sick. Got a Porsche down there, the orange one.
All right, we're pretty much done for the Vancouver Auto Show. Honestly, it was cool, but it wasn't as cool as the first time me and Jillian went to the auto show, because during that time they actually had like modified vehicles and everything else. So I don't know if I'll go back. It was cool to see someone do new vehicles. One mistake I did was to actually bring this camera. This camera has a very zoomed in lens, and it was so hard to film. So next time I'd probably bring the Action 6 instead. But anyways, that'll do it for this video. Until next time, stay awesome, everybody.